Okie dokie, welcome back. Sorry it's been a while since I got this done. I've been very busy with other things. So today I want to talk about the intro and your bio, which is this section here, and also the featured images where you've got another opportunity for a call to action. Okay, so in your intro, this is another opportunity to make sure that you've got a link showing visibly in your profile when people have come to view it. All right, so depending on what audience you're after, if you've narrowed down your audience, depends on what you put here, depends what you're promoting, etc. And also the link has to be a tidy link. If you haven't got your own website or you haven't got pretty links for a website, I suggest going to Bitly or something like that. Don't just put a link and a straightforward raw affiliate link in there, because it looks terrible and it's not professional. Okay, so keep that nice and tidy. Use emojis like I've done and come up with a good tagline. All right, mine's probably not the best. I'm not great at that. I do admit that. Okay, but yeah, if you're better than me, please suggest something for me. All right. Okay. So moving on to the featured images. And again, I've not completed this task yet since I've come back. But this is another opportunity for a call to action. People put two, 3-word comments there, and then a call to action just here on an image or just on a blank background with some text on it. Okay, so you can tell a little story and a call to action there. It's very simple to do, he says. So if I wanted to delete one of these, I could just delete it. But just to add a new one, just upload and pick an image that you can add to your little story. Okay, just get rid of that. So yeah, another great opportunity for a call to action. At least, even if it's not a link, you can make a little call to action there or tell a little story. Now, the one thing that I mentioned the other day was when you click on your banner, you have the edit option, like I said. Make sure your link, again, a tidy link, not a random raw link. Make sure it's in the first 3 lines of your description. So when people do click on your banner, the link will show up, because after that you have to press the click more here button, and that's where you can carry on adding, telling your story or whatever you're putting in the description. So in the first 2 or 3 lines, just test it to make sure it shows up. And I think that is it as regards profile. Make sure you've got a nice image here. Again, nice and simple. Just choose your image and then upload it to the Facebook, but make sure it's nice and clean, genuine. Put your own face on it and make it natural. All right, folks, so in the next videos I'm going to be covering warming up, warming down, and Facebook posting. I might split them up into different ones yet. Okay, so I'll speak to you all soon. Stay safe.